The best ways to find a reputable solar installer: word of mouth, searches on the internet with different review platforms, solar trade associations that have memberships, relationships with the manufacturer. So being an authorized installer, there are different ways for you to move forward and finance a solar project. The benefits of leasing are that you don't have to come out of pocket. It doesn't cost you anything up front, and you can realize savings compared to what you're paying your utility. If you buy the system, you'll get a credit back when you do your taxes. Essentially, the system will pay for itself, typically within 4 to 6 years. It adds value to your property. If you ever decide to sell your property, it makes it easier and more favorable for someone considering buying your house. Some basic things to consider in determining the size of your solar installation are your 12-month kilowatt electric usage, the orientation of your property or the orientation of the solar panels, and the current electric system conditions. Those 3 things will determine the size and any unknown unforeseen costs involved.